wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut up selector boy.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco back in the music lab with another bang. I know people, you already know what time it is. Yo, that mafia. Yo, let's see what we are doing today, man. Yo, back in the music lab, and today we should have a total banger, a total hit. You know what I'm saying? These are two of the biggest dancehall artists, I would say. I would say this is two of the biggest artists in dancehall currently, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? I don't know the teacher and the prefect, the king and the prince. Don't know none other than the world boss and the unruly boss. You see me? The Gaza boss and the unruly boss. You know what I'm saying? I check it out and see what dog I deal with. Who we are talking about? We're talking about Vybz Kartel and Popcaan, and they dropped their new video entitled Dull Color. You know what I'm saying? And I do believe I did react to the visualizer of Dull Color. Yeah, man, because we reacted to that because that was crazy. I was like, what? Popcaan and Vybz Kartel on the same track, dog? What the? That blew my mind. I don't know how the rest of the world or media ain't talking about this. This is a big time collab, bro. That is crazy. Big collab. Nobody talking about it. Nobody giving no press. Why? That's crazy, man. Yeah, man. And it's a dope track as well. You know what I'm saying? When I saw, I'm like, what? Kartel and Popcaan back together on the same track after so many years, bro? I don't know how this is not like a big thing, bro. This should be a crazy, like, yo, wow, go on. You know, see me? But anyway, guys, yeah, man, check it out and see what dog I'm deal with today, man. This is Vybz Kartel and Popcaan, Dull Color. Like I said, we checked out the visual, but I haven't checked out the video. This is a new video, just dropped like a couple of hours ago. I want to see what dog I deal with. Yeah, man, so if you're new to the channel, guys, just do the right thing. You don't know a code. You see me? If you're new or a returning subscriber, yes, if you're new to the channel or you're a returning subscriber, you already know a code, man. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button. Come on, man, code is life, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like and subscribe button. The likes help to push the videos on here, my channel grow. Help me grow faster. So help your boy out. You don't know the goal. We're trying 10K now on the way to 100K and a million. So you gotta help your boy by hitting the like button. If you hit the like button, that can't happen. You see me? So just do the right thing. Live by the code, because code is life. So just do the right thing. Hit the like and subscribe button. Become part of the littest gang on YouTube, man. Come on, man. Become part of the vibes. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Do the right thing, man. Bombard. But like me, I say, guys, this is Vybz Kartel and Popcaan, Dull Color. Let's get it.
Look at man, we get some work on, man.
I do the thing.
Give me this, man. I blow it and go here, man. No one man from work and go slow work. This one way hard, man.
Judge, I have to deal with a man like that. You understand? You want your work done still, you know, you have to deal and style, man. You know, say, yo, you take a time for learn, you know. You see me and master your skill at the same time. But me not tell nobody if you go on lazy for nobody work, you know what I mean? Excuses, you know, and say that can probably know. That's what I say.
Yo.
Big collab this now. People ain't talking about this, bro. Unruly boss, bro. And Vybz Kartel, bro. The world boss, bro. Come on, man. Two artists, them, you know, man.
The street, yeah. Down to the devil, same should have been banned. Can't tame, suck your mother with your keep calm.
Yes, you know,
rough
man.
life, dull color and a beach ball.
You know, man. Bumbuck thing rough in the street, dark. All the devil saying wish he never been banned. I want to. Can't tame, man. I want to real stuff. I want to know easy yourself, man.
But enemies necessary, we gone. Get the big blanket to keep my kids warm. Man, I dead in the street warm. When the street warm, peace, then the peace gone.
But until then, roll out with the long thing them.
I want to by any means, bro. You see me and say, we don't then stop with, bro. You hear shit. Listen to what dog say, until them. Roll out with the long thing them. I want to better listen to the real boss and the unruly boss and hear what dog them are deal with, you know. You see me, because the track I got shot, you know. You see me, and just listen, because we listen to the visualizer already, bro. This is a bad tune. I don't know, nobody ain't talking about this damn collab, bro. Listen to a man and say, come in.
Lock them off as you reach home. Feds not the place, but not take check, no staircase and
Keep couple and as them near range and Banyans, man, I play game, dog. And them play, but we still want a payday. Searching for the code, them for the game changer.
Searching for the code. Man, tell a man, code is life, man. I'm to need to like and subscribe and search for the code. The game changer. switch it up on them, man. Take it to a next level. You see me? That way I try to break through this, you know, man. Come in.
Nobody do all it, boy.
There's a rate more right now. Feel
Nobody
like
know
run we have.
No, you can't do that.
No, auntie has some farmer ticket around, you know. I train you know that. Not sure thing, but it's a great opportunity still, you know that.
I mean, man, I just look at work, farm work. I mean, man, you go take your work at work. You see me stack your coins, dog. Eventually, you're going to get to it. Come on.
Nobody do
Don't
all
want to
it,
live poor. Facts.
Nobody do all it, boy.
That's a fact.
Nobody do all it, boy. Man hungry, then we fall in. Yeah, the streets and the ball game.
That's a fact. When man hungry, then we fall. We in streets and a ball game. I want ball game. I think you know about what don't think what I mean by fall in. And it's a war time, man. Man, it's a gunshot. When people hungry, that cause crime. People hungry and want things and can't get it. So them do. Take it. Yeah.
Nobody do all it, boy.
Them stress ya they all island, but a stress still make all diamond. Youth them want help, politician careless. Police a kill them sick.
So yo, stress, they stress the whole island, but a stress build all diamond. I really talk. I say rise about that. You see me take pressure and then work really and you don't know the pressure that's gonna make you better. You see me the fight will make you better. You see me the struggle that's gonna make you better. Cause you think about when you struggle, yeah, the only way to not struggle is to get better at whatever you're doing, and as you get better, things become easier. It's crazy. Yeah, real shit, man. Again.
Down them decks.
See the pressure we have,
Innocent life. Do not let gunman overnight. Oh, the fuck that take place on your watch. Society now do we right.
But then time it reach at them door. End time them start get gunshot.
Yeah, man. Real shit, man. Anytime reach at them door and start get shit gunshot, then them gonna know what time it is. Come on.
Bet said them do and stop watch. Bet said them I can't stop chat. Bet said them I can't stop chat.
Nobody do all it, boy. Nobody do all it, boy.
Yeah, man. Nobody don't want to live poor. The song is Blood Clean. A big tune. Yeah, you see me? And basically it's a talk about all the different type of people, different color, the shape and color of people coming up. And how the system can dull and person color. Then can't give it shine and show them true essence because of it. You know what I'm saying? I think them are going, man. Yeah, shit, man. Big up Papi and Blood Cartel, you see me? Big up Real Boss and the Unruly Boss. Come in, man.
Nobody do all it, boy. Nobody do all it, boy.
Now, Stocky Bread. Now, I'm to them. Nobody know want to live poor. The man ain't not talking no floor. That's fact, bro. Nobody know want to live poor. I'm to you, man. Everybody want to make it. Until the politician boy, them have mess up place, dog. And I mash up your island. Like you man say, until you reach at them door. You see me? Better say them do and stop watch. Better say them I can't stop chat. I really shit, man. Them politician boy, they not gonna know what going where you them face until you reach at them door, man, and them feel the same pain. You see me? Until people fed up and take it to them in a real way. You see me? They not gonna know what time it is. But yeah, man, big up to Blood Clean, World Boss and the Unruly Boss, and DJ and Popcaan. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, big up Papi and Adi. You see me? I say, yeah, man, two of my favorite artists in a dance, all a dancer, no joke, no cap. You know what I'm saying? These guys are larger than, you know what I'm saying? Not the music, but larger than a big icon, I think. You see me? Yeah, man. Two of them put in their work and put in their work and time and the contribution to the culture and to the music. You know what I'm saying? So big up in both of them, man. And it's a really dope, uplifting, you know what I'm saying, track. You know what I'm saying, that they just dropped and I enjoyed it a lot. I hope you enjoyed it too. So go ahead and drop in the comment section. Let me know, yo gang, let me know what was good, man. What's your favorite part? Drop in the comment section. You see me? Beats, lyrics, melody, whatever it is, video, visuals, whatever it was, drop in the comment section. Let me know what's your favorite part. Who you think took the track, all that stuff. And if you like it, go show the artist some love and support. Come on, man. Two of the biggest and we can like this is Kartel and Popcaan, man. Two of the biggest and the best very good at making music, man, and this track is dope, man. Definitely go show the artists and love and support. Make them know say Jambisco dance and make them so we're strong over here, son. Dan Mafia. You know say we're large over here, son, man. We're strong over here, son. No, yo. NPT, no pussy test. You see me I say? Yeah, man, guys, I don't know. Yeah, man, we're going strong over here. Road to 10K before the year end, guys. Road to 100K by next year. You see me? And a million. You see me? We're going strong. We're coming to take over this dog. You know what I'm saying? So just hit the like and subscribe button. Do the right thing. Live by the code, man. I'm to you, man. Code is life, man. Do the right thing, man. Help your boy out. The likes and subs is free. You know what I'm saying? You're not paying nothing. You're not putting no credit card in there. Nothing. You're not paying nothing. Just hit the like and subscribe and help push my videos out there. I help my channel grow. You see me? So just do the thing, right thing, man. Live by the code, man. Code is life, man. Do the right thing, man. Help your boy out. You don't know, gang. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.